Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the crashing of Modern Warfare 2, and we will do by verifying the files, right, which is missing in our system, right? So we have to just open the Ctrl+R, just open the run, and after that you have to type cmd and we have to open the command promote and make sure to just write this code as I write here, right? So you have to just enter the space, then you have to write slash, then after that you have to write scan without any space, right? Then click on enter. It will take a few seconds of you because it will just verify all the files, and after that we will write our other code, which is slash online slash cleanup dash image slash restore health, and after that we will enter, and it will show you the operation completed successfully, and it will verify all the files and it may fix your problem. So just make sure that after doing this, open the app once again and restart your PC, and then again open your game, and this will fix your problem. So this is it guys. If you found this video really useful, leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.